My name's Ainik, and I'm an independent Scentsy consultant. I've been a Scentsy consultant. It's going to make 2 years in August, so it hasn't been made 2 years. It's really exciting. Scentsy has been probably one of the biggest blessings in my life. My story is about a little lost girl who for most of her life felt completely lost and completely alone. I really started twirling down into a really bad depression, and I think many of us feel that we are not worthy. We feel that we're not loved. We feel that there is no purpose, that I'm just this regular person living this little life. It's like, man, you are supposed to be here. You need to shine your light. When I decided to start the healing process, I had many people help me on that journey. I told myself that I need to pay it forward and I need to help other people. Scentsy is all about that. It really connected with my philosophy of life. I feel like part of something bigger than myself. The energy is authentic and there's so much love, and it doesn't matter if we're not within the same family. All Scentsy sisters help each other, which I've never seen that before. And I just thought it was just gonna be this thing, but now it's the thing in my life that makes me smile every day. And I get up every day really happy because Scentsy's in my life.